So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change phone number on your DoorDash account in the app. So first of all, download the app on your mobile device. After that, open it up. On here you can see at the bottom home, grocery, shopping, browse, and the me section. You can see some offers on homepage. You can see the shopping cart in the top right and notifications next to it. So let's open up the account and you can see orders, try dash pass, settings, profile, as well as rewards. So let's click on settings. On here, you can see your profile, you can see payment, save stores, rewards, get help, gift cards, managing account, business profile, address, privacy notifications, dark mode, as well as some other options underneath. So through here, click on the manage account. And the first thing you will see will be your first and last name, as well as phone number. Now on here, it's just overhead your email address, and you can change it simply by going and clicking the number page. So let's do that. As you can see, I've clicked the number page, and through there, I just need to delete something and type in something else. So some other numbers. If I change my number, you can also change your area code next to it. And after you're done, just click on save. And through there your changes will be saved, but try to do that before verifying, since it's going to be much easier to do that beforehand. So that's about it. Just go to manage account, and from there just type out a new number. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on DoorDash or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.